Get ready for SAT. Here are 14 questions on function notation. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are going to take some test questions to prepare you for SAT. All of these questions are based on a very important topic, functions. The students who are doing pre-calculus, for them also, this becomes the first unit in most of the curriculums. You may like to answer these questions and understand the concepts. Let me first thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments and suggestions. Based on your feedback, we create new material on our YouTube channel. Many of you asked for SAT preparation, and so now we have hundreds of questions for you to prepare for SAT. This video is just one of those. Thank you once again. Keep contributing, and this is your channel, absolutely free for last 15 years with 17,000 plus videos. Contribute to make your channel successful. Now, let's look into how do we answer these questions. But first, let's see the questions, right? All are based on functions. Question number one, we are given a function which is a quadratic function, as you can see. And then, what is the value of f of minus 1? So, out of these choices, you can put x as minus 1, get your answer. Question number two. Now, from here, things are slightly more difficult. We have not given you the equation. The idea is to teach you and for you to get some new strategies for finding equations from the given graph or from the given conditions. Now, that is what SAT preparation will put you right in top. Correct? So, the question number two here is match the equation of the line with the graph. We are given you five options. You are given 2 points on the graph. One is labeled purposely, the other one is not labeled. So now figure it out. Question number three. Now, following questions are based on the equation which you derived in question number two. Now, many times there are multiple questions on the same concept. So, once you derive an equation or get the right equation, only then the following answers are going to be correct. Otherwise, you lose all the marks for these questions. So, carefully answer these questions after writing the correct equation given in the previous question, which is question 2. So, question 3 is graph of the same function is given, find the value f of 1. Okay. Question number 4, again on the same graph. So, do not derive that equation again and again. Look at the graph, answer the question. Correct? Fa is equal to 2. What is the value? This could be straight away read from the graph. Correct? So try to see where you can save the time and how. Question number 5. Graph of the same function is given and another condition to match the correct answer. Question number 6. So now we are getting into the next concept on functions, which mainly deals with transformation of functions. We are given f of x equals to x minus 2. Find the point y equals to 2 minus f of 2 of x. So out of these, one of the points will be on the transformed function. Look carefully, derive the transformed function, and then check which point will lie on it. This is a thinking problem which will be kind of in the difficult section. Now, similar questions to what we did in question number 6, to give you more practice, here are the other kinds which you see, and then that should help you for SAT preparation. Well, in case you want to learn from me, you can send an email to globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. We can help you and we can be part of your success story. Correct. So the function is x minus 2. Find the solution to f of 2a minus 2 equals to f of 4a minus 4. Another very interesting question which can help you. How do we work with transform functions and their equations? Question number 8 on the same ground as we did earlier. So it is slight modification of what the other was, but this is for the purpose of getting more practice and getting good at it. Perfect? You get the idea. So it is a practice test problem set for you. I'd like you to go through it. Here we have a very complicated question. The point P, which is 3 minus 4, lies on the graph of f of x. Find its image on the graph of this transform function. Clearly write down the transformation and then see how x and y values get changed. Perfect. Question number 10. We are given a function f of x equals to 2 minus x squared and g of x as x squared minus 2. Then, for which of the following values of a does this equation hold? So we have two functions now, and you need to work with their transform functions to get the solution. So, slightly critical question for you. Excellent question for getting top grade marks in SAT or in your pre calculus course. Question number 11. We have a function which is square root of pi minus x over x squared minus 9. Identify the largest integer for which f of x is defined. Extremely difficult. This question has come in many competitive examinations and therefore its solution will be key for success. Try to understand its solution. If you have difficulty, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. We can help you. Question number 12. So, we this time have a function to be defined, right? Given the values. And the function is f of x equals to 3 to the power of x. This is an exponential function, not a linear function. 3 to the power of x minus x squared, correct? Now you need to find the value of f of 2, right? So I missed typing, one more bracket should have been there. Correct. So let's move forward. Question number 13. If f of x equals to x plus 3, g of x is square root of 2 times f of x, what is the solution of g of x plus 6 equals to f of x plus 2, right? So is defined. Okay, because there is a restriction here and we are given some solutions, correct? So some of these, sometimes the roots could be extraneous roots, right? So therefore, what is the solution of this, right? So forget about this part. I think what is the solution of this? Figure out which one of these options is the right option, correct? Okay, and here is the last question for you. Now, here, slightly a longer question. This time we are saying if the function f of x and g of x is given to you, which of the following is equivalent to g of x over f of x? We are looking into rational function. And here, x value is greater than 2, right? So that is the question for you. And I hope you enjoy working with this set. Once you get the expertise, right, of all this, you can actually practice with some more questions which you will find in the other series on testing, tests for SAT and pre-functions. I hope you have enjoyed this journey of going through these important questions which can help you prepare for SAT and also to understand the unit on relations and functions, especially function notation. Perfect. So Feel free to write an email to globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. I can personally help you and guide you towards success. Thanks a lot and all the best.